Are you jumping in the big water puddle? So, oh my goodness. I guess it's fun, huh?
I did it.
Are you wet, Ari?
Yeah.
Do you like to be wet?
Yeah.
Okay, do you think we should go inside and dry off now?
No. Good. Me.
Oh, did you get your hands wet too, sweetie? Okay, should we go inside now? Mittens off? Okay. I see you have wet shoes. Hey, hey, hey! I know you have wet shoes. Okay, splash, splash. Say bye-bye to the camera.
Bye.